Okay, let's go over the notes of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Let's start with the first note of the song. It is a note that was new for us in Jolly Old St. Nicholas. It's not on the staff, it actually dangles below the first line. If it dangles below the first line, it must be a D. Now there are how many D's? 2 D's. I'm not going to write down D, D. We just know that there's 2 of them. Our next note right here, is it on a line or space? It's on a space. How to remember notes on spaces? Say it with me. F, A, C, E. So is it an F, A, C, or E? It is a A. And we have 2 of them. Now go on to the next note above little. Is that note on a line or space? It's on a line. Say the saying with me for lines. Every good boy does fine. Is it E, G, B, D, or F? It is a B. And there's 2 of them. Then we have a note that's held a little bit longer with the open circle in the stem above star. Is it on a line or a space? It's on a space. Is it a F, A, C, or E? It is a A. Next, we have a note above how. Is this note on a line or a space? It's on a line. Say the saying with me. Every good boy does fine. It is a G. So we have G, G. Now our next note is a new note in this song. It's above wonder. Is it on a line or space? It's on a space. Is it a F, A, C, or E? It's an F, but check out the beginning of the song. Look right here. We have a key signature, and we see this sharp written on the every good boy does fine, the F line. So that tells us every time we have a note on an F space or F line, it is an F sharp. So this note right here is an F. Oof, can I do this neatly? Let's see. Sharp. Neat. So there's 2 F sharps. You can also see down below, they wrote it here. It looks like it has a hashtag or a pound. That's how you write sharp, F sharp. So we have G, G, F sharp, F sharp. Then above the words what you, we have the note on the first line. Every good boy does fine. What is it? It's an E. And then our last note of the first line. It's not on a line or space. It dangles below the first line, so it must be a D. Now if we call this whole line part A, what other, let me just fix this, hold on. Alright, I'm doing this. Here we go. Let's make this neater. A. It's kind of neat. If that whole line is part A, is there any other line in the song that's like part A? We have 1, 2, 3 lines of the song. Think about it. Lots of people think it's the 3rd line. Let's check it. Let's check this bottom line. Is it D, D, A, B, B, A, G, G, F sharp, E, E, D? Yes, they are the same. So I'm not even going to rewrite the notes down on part A. You can do it yourself on your own time. Let's look at the second line. This is part B. It's different. Our first note of the second line. We have two of them. What is it? Is it on a line or space? It's on a space. F, A, C, or E. It's a A. A, A. Next two notes. Is it on a line or space? It's on a line. Every good boy does fine. It's a G. A, G, G. Next, we have a note. Is it on a line or a space? It's on a space. Is it a F, A, C, or E? It's a F sharp. And then we have this note right here. What is it? On the first line, it's a E. Now check this out. These notes, the beginning of part B, are they the same or different from the other notes in part B? Let's see. This is A, G, G, F sharp, E. And how about over here? A, G, G, F sharp, E. So guess what? They are the same. You are welcome to write down the pitches for the rest of the song, but basically, if you can play the first half of the song, you can play the whole thing. Go to work. Go practice.